and the other in his universe.
Far away across oceans and time. Up and over Muffle Mountain and hidden deep in a valley.
It's Maisie Rover's hometown.
Shining time.
Every now and then there appears a sign. Though it's just round the bend to a place you will find. Covered in clover, the magic comes over you, showing up right on time. This is your shining time. Through storms, your own glad night. Soft strokes of lightning paint the skies brightly. All for your shining time.
And by the way, I think we're gonna help Thomas somewhere in the story. If Diesel Tan has unfinished business, and I'm sure there's trouble right around the corner. Sandalfly, shoe fly, that's it. You gotta steal Buzzsaw. Botherations. You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you, the buffers are there. That's what buffers are for. Stop engines from crashing. What are you doing to chest, James? I'm feeling a little blue. Wouldn't be so hot when you're red. I was naughty, and so Tom had told me to think about all the ways it would be really useful. Then I could come out again. He's just trying to make this bear railway for steam engines. Thomas, the harder we work, unless you need Diesel's help. Help you? Oh, you always need help, because steam engines are cowardly, Frankie, you want a hunks of metal who couldn't hurt a fly. No, we're not. Yes, you bud. I are. Now, I arrived to find a lost steam engine. What? I'm gonna destroy her and dominate you, and then you'll be nothing but useless scrap. Right, Pinchy? Big bully. Stinker. We're really useful engines. You won't dominate us, and you won't destroy her. We won't let you. Neither will Mr. Conductor. I'm out to fetch him now. One lost engine.